Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to bend your text in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Adobe InDesign documents and follow these simple steps. To bend the text we will need to create a path or a bended path or a curvy shape or path where we can type on. So basically either you are going to use the frame tool or the shape tool, and of course we in all cases we are going to use the ellipse tool. So let's go with the frame and search and use the ellipse tool. Now I have my frame like that, so I want to have a text that is you can choose the bendy or the way you want your text to be, how to be bended. So for example, if you want it to be like that, just edit your ellipse on the way that you want your text to be. Basically now we are going to type tool, but we are going to choose the type on a path tool, or you can just click on shift plus T and you will have this one. Then you will go to the frame and click on it and just click or type your text that you want, hello world for example, and just go like that. Now you can edit your text however you want, and now it is bended. So let's just give it some size, and now you can edit your text, and now it is bendy however you want. Also you can choose how you want to be rotated. So let's go back. You need just to click like that and have a rotation, or however you want your text to be. And also you can do all the other operation on the text, like having other fonts, other style. You can justify your text, you can do whatever you want. You can do the paragraph settings or paragraph uh, modifications. You can add things on the character, like the space in between characters. You can do whatever you want with your text now. So basically this is how you build your text in Adobe InDesign. Thank you for watching and see you next time.